Welcome to the Vortex family, the IP65 rated Vortex8 and Vortex4. I'm just going to show you some of the real easy user interfaces. We have a level button, that's our intensity. We have the encoder wheel, makes it very user vis, very simple, very easy to control. Then we go into our color modes. We just select that button there. We have CCT, HSI, RGB white, XY, gel, CCT. These are our crossfades. For example, I would go in, I would select CCT. I can then select on this button here, your CCT. I can go down from 2200 Kelvin all the way up to 15,000. Also, button next to it, that's our plus and minus greens. And then, as I said before, this is our intensity. We move down, we see FX, we come into our FX button. First one you'll see is no effect. Obviously, for DMX purposes, you always have to have no effect to clear the fixture from a DMX table. I can then move along. We have candle, fire, emergency lights, television, party, pulse, paparazzi, color sync, strobe, sync flash. We also then have flash frames. That is what we can use with our BNC cable. We can, for example, plug this directly from our accessory port into a phantom, and we can control our frame rate from the fixture to the camera. I'll take it back here to show you something very quickly. For example, we set now candle fire. We then select here. Again, we have our presets. At the moment, I'm on a custom. I can come through. I have then calm candle, windy candle, fireplace, campfire. What is a real great feature here, I can actually go past 5.6 and go to custom. When in custom mode, I can go back into our color mode, and I can then select, for example, I want to use my fire effect with a gel. What I can do then is select gels. I go to my library. I always select this gel. I like it. It's on the Lee 700. That's the library. And then I go up and I want to use my fire effect with Millennium Gold. So my fire effect now is using a gel-based light. Lastly, on this section, we have then our presets. What you can see here, I have over 50 channels where I can actually store whatever effect, CCT, plus and minus, HSIs, gels, whatever. Another key point is when we turn our fixture off, we can still operate all of our settings without any light coming out of the fixture. Go back home, come back here, choose CCT. Now, as you can see, I'm bringing it down, turn it on, and there we are. We've gone through some of the points. This is our AC power in. This is 48 volt DC in here. It's our accessory point, DMX in and out. We also then have our USB for firmware updates, but also for the next future firmware update will be obviously to store file show or show file on the USB, and we'll also be introducing the fact that this will then be a powered USB point. And then at the bottom there is our Ethernet cable point. Basically, that's a very quick rundown of the Vortex4 or the Vortex features. The features on the Vortex4 are exactly the same on the Vortex8, completely identical firmwares. Thank you for listening.